Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you a great tip I think a lot of you would like to know. And yeah, so there's this app called Clubhouse, and I think Clubhouse has really failed trying to bring on board a lot of people and trying to make a lot of people know they exist. So this is why. Initially, Clubhouse got a hype from Elon Musk, who is one of the most prominent people or one of the richest people in the world, who is actually helping a lot of social networks or apps in this world, because they already gave the hype to Signal and a lot of people got on board on Signal, and then he threw the lights on Clubhouse too, which I think Clubhouse should have just capitalized on that. So they rolled out, the application was in existence and it's actually open for only iOS users, which I think it wasn't really cool. And even iOS users, you just needed to get an invite before you were going to get on board on this application. And I think that is a fail too, because if maybe there are a lot of people who want to get this app and they are not being invited, meaning they can't just get on board and then try to use this application. So I think it's going to leave a lot of people around the app, or maybe a lot of people getting pissed at the application already. And here is the challenge. Telegram is in. Facebook is getting up for a new update, a feature which looks like Clubhouse already. Instagram is also in now. Soon and very soon, I think WhatsApp is also going to join the party, where all these applications have been listed are compatible for both iOS and then Android, right? And there are a lot of people using Android phones, and this one is not going to be like you need an invite before you can just use it or something. You are eligible to use it right away. You download the application, you're eligible to use it. So I think Clubhouse has allowed themselves to be bullied by these social media giants with their own feature they brought, and that is so bad. It's not good. I think they need to roll out the Android version of this application already, and also try to make the invites way a bit flexible for a lot of people to just get on board to just use this application for free. Because right now, I heard they recorded 8 million users already, which is even the average viewers of Marcus Brownlee's videos on YouTube. Seriously, 8 million isn't anything. It's nothing to boast of. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook are recording about billions of people trying to use the application. So if they roll out this feature already, this is going to be game over for Clubhouse. So I think they already failed, I should say, or maybe they're about to fail, because Telegram is already rolled out and people are enjoying it.
Well, that would be.
But that is still come on. We don't come on. I invite them all, but they don't join yet.
And you guys should just try it out. I have a video. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to try Telegram voice chat. It just works like Clubhouse. You don't need an invite from anyone. Create a group, create a channel, and then you are good to go. You can just start your voice chat with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and it's quite cool. And I think that is bad. That is so bad for Clubhouse, because they brought a feature and they're being bullied now. They are being taught how to just roll it out. It's so sad. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I just wanted to give a quick update on how things are going, and yeah, I'll be doing this more often. I keep doing reviewing of applications, talking more about iPhone, Android phones. If you are a user of either of these operating systems, don't worry, don't click off these videos. Just subscribe, because I have both of you covered, and I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos that is really going to help you guys out on this channel. So stick around, don't forget to share this video, like it, and then catch you in the next one. Peace.